Changing your primary email on Respondent EO is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Login. Access your Respondent EO account by entering your current email and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings option. This is usually located in the upper right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select email preferences. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your email. In the email management section, you will see your current primary email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field and confirm it if required. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update, so check your inbox and follow any additional instructions. By following these steps, you can successfully change your primary email on Respondent EO. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to their support for assistance.